Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best heavy-duty sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional seamstress, or someone who needs a machine that can handle thick fabrics and challenging projects, we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Brother ST371 HD sewing machine. This budget-friendly option is perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a reliable, heavy-duty machine without breaking the bank. It comes with 37 built-in stitches, including an auto-size buttonhole, giving you enough versatility to tackle a range of projects. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin are standout features, making setup a breeze even for new users. In terms of design, the Brother ST371 HD is compact yet sturdy, with a weight of 18.4 pounds. While it lacks the full metal frame seen in higher-end models, the build quality is robust enough to handle medium to heavy fabrics like denim or canvas. The free arm option is particularly handy for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other circular items, which adds to its versatility. Performance-wise, this machine offers smooth operation for its price range, though it might struggle with very thick layers or heavy-duty projects over extended use. The included accessories, such as 6 sewing feet and an instructional DVD, add significant value, making it a great starter kit. The main downside is that it doesn't have as much piercing power or speed as some of the higher-priced models. Overall, the Brother ST371 HD is ideal for occasional use or lighter sewing tasks, and the price point makes it a fantastic entry-level choice. At number 4, we have the Singer Heavy-Duty 4423 sewing machine. A true workhorse, this machine is built to handle a variety of projects with its 60% stronger motor and maximum sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute. It comes with 97 stitch applications, offering a good mix of basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, as well as a one-step buttonhole option. The design of the Singer 4423 is both practical and durable, featuring a heavy-duty metal frame and a stainless steel bedplate. This ensures stability during high-speed sewing and provides long-lasting performance. Weighing 17.1 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and sturdiness. The automatic needle threader is another thoughtful addition, saving time and reducing eye strain. When it comes to performance, the Singer 4423 stands out for its ability to sew through thick fabrics and multiple layers with ease. It's perfect for hemming jeans, creating home decor items, or working on heavy-duty crafting projects. However, it's worth noting that this model doesn't include as many advanced stitch options as the higher-end Singer models. It's a fantastic option for those who want reliable performance without a hefty price tag. Coming in at number 3 is the Singer Heavy-Duty 4432 sewing machine. This model offers a sleek black design and is packed with features to elevate your sewing projects. With 110 stitch applications, it provides more variety than the 4423, making it a great choice for those who want additional creative flexibility. It also boasts a powerful motor and a top sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, ensuring you can complete projects quickly and efficiently. Much like its sibling models, the 4432 features a full metal frame that ensures stability and durability, even when sewing at high speeds. The jam-proof top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover makes it easy to keep an eye on your thread supply. The included accessories, such as a dust cover and multiple presser feet, add value and convenience to this machine. In terms of performance, the 4432 is highly capable, handling thick fabrics like denim and canvas with ease. However, compared to the Singer 4452, it lacks some of the advanced features like the non-stick foot, which may limit its appeal to professionals. Still, for its price, the 4432 offers excellent value, making it a strong mid-range option for both beginners and experienced users. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Singer Heavy-Duty 4452. This machine is an upgrade over the 4432. offering 110 stitch applications and additional accessories like a non-stick foot and even a feed walking foot. These features make it particularly well-suited for working with tricky fabrics like leather or vinyl. The one-step buttonhole is another highlight, providing a seamless way to add professional touches to your projects. The design features the same durable, full-metal frame we've come to expect from Singer's heavy-duty line, ensuring years of reliable use. The strong motor delivers enhanced piercing power, making it easy to sew through multiple layers of fabric. The built-in needle threader and top drop-in bobbins simplify setup, while the LED light ensures good visibility during your projects. Performance-wise, the 4452 is exceptional, combining speed, power, and versatility. It's a fantastic choice for intermediate to advanced users who need a machine that can handle everything from basic alterations to heavy-duty sewing projects. The slightly higher price compared to the 4432 is justified by the additional accessories and features, making it a top contender for anyone serious about sewing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy sewing.